Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change the image quality setting on the Canon M50 and explain what each option means so you can choose the best settings for your photography. So first open the menu, go to the first tab with camera icon and on the first page select image quality. Let's start with RAW section. The first option with the minus icon disables RAW recording. Next is RAW. This is the highest quality option on this camera. It saves all the information from the camera's 24 megapixel sensor. You can make a wide range of adjustments and recover much more detail in post-production compared to JPEG. Keep in mind that RAW files are not ready to use straight out of the camera and need to be edited. Next is CRAW. This is compressed version of RAW. It gives you almost the same quality and editing flexibility, but the files are smaller and take up less space on your memory card. Now let's move to JPEG options. JPEG files are already processed by the camera, so they are ready to use straight away. First option here is minus icon. This disables JPEG recording. Next is L with curved icon. L stands for large and this is the highest quality JPEG option available. It uses the full 24 megapixel resolution and the lowest compression, giving you the most detail. It is great for printing, photo books and other similar uses. The second L option with star case icon use the same 24 megapixel resolution but with higher compression, resulting in smaller file size and slightly lower image quality. Next is M. M stands for medium and has a resolution of 11 megapixel. You can choose between the curved and star case icons here as well, depending on whether you prefer better quality or smaller size. Next is S1. S stands for small and has resolution of 5.9 megapixels and comes with both compression options. And finally S2. S2 has resolution of 3.8 megapixels. This is the smallest JPEG option and I would personally not recommend using it because the image quality is quite low. So for JPEG I would recommend using L with curved icon as the best overall quality setting on the Canon M50 if you just want ready to use the images straight from the camera. If you plan to edit your photos, I recommend using RAW or CRAW for the best possible quality. You can also combine RAW and JPEG. In this case, the camera will capture both RAW file and JPEG file at the same time. It will take up more space on your SD card, but you get the flexibility of both formats. Okay guys, that's all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.